Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Nora and I like to do videos about all things plus size fashion, beauty, lifestyle. So if that's anything that interests you, make sure to subscribe so you can be updated when I post new videos. I typically upload once to twice a week. Today I have a quick, short but sweet video. Recently I had a company reach out to me, asked me if I would try their new eyeglasses. I typically do wear prescription glasses, but the ones that I got are not prescription, but this company does offer prescription glasses where you can upload your current prescription. They also offer sunglasses and blue light blocking glasses. If you're looking for like really affordable glasses, this is the place to go. It is Zinff, Zinff Optical, and they do have a website which is www.zinff.com. They sent me some really cute glasses. I am loving these. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. It does, I'll do a little bit of an unboxing. It does come in a cute little box. And yeah, they are a website. They offer over 300 different styles of glasses. They do offer a 30-day resizing and return policy. And they also offer a guarantee of 365 days for one-on-one support. I think it's a really good company, like glasses company. If you're looking for some really cute affordable prescription glasses, this is the place to go. So it comes in your little box and it does have like the little cloth to clean them with. And then I chose these. I didn't have my prescription on hand, so I did not upload my prescription, so I just picked out some for like accessorize with, because I don't always wear my regular glasses, but I thought these were so cute. There was no way I wasn't gonna get these. So these are gorgeous. Look at the turquoise color. These come in with no prescription or with your prescription, which you can upload to the site, and then they take a look at it and have them, you know, made for you, which I absolutely love. And I just love them. I think they're so cute. They're like a little cat eye. So these particular ones that I got are called the Flynn cat eye eyeglasses. And they are the cat eye emerald eyeglasses. These do not have a prescription, but again, they do offer the option to get these with a prescription. I love them. They offer different sizes. You can pick out the size that best fits you based on your current prescription or whatever sizing you prefer. These are the medium ones. I could have even gotten the smaller ones, but I think they're so cute. I just love this little cat eye. I think it's so trendy, and the color, I love them. So I picked these because I want to be able to wear these with like different outfits, and I just thought they were super cute. But yeah, they offer like all types of eyeglasses. Not necessarily, you don't have to pick out the trendy styles. You could pick out, you know, the regular ones. They have those. They have sunglasses now for summer. So I would definitely check them out. I am going to be linking them down below, and their website is zinff.com. So that's Zinff.com. And yeah, so I am absolutely loving these. It comes with like, you know, your little booklet for more information about them and little coupons that you can use. I do have a coupon code for you guys. I'm going to be linking that down below also in case you wanted to check them out. They have super affordable glasses. Their prices range. They always have sales. Right now I know they have like a 50% off sale on their actual website. But I will have a coupon code. I'm just waiting for them to message me back with that code. So I'll link it down below. Their prices range from like 30, 24, 25. They have affordable ones. They even have some for like $7 on here. So they have really good prices. Like, who gets glasses for like $7? Like, their prices range depending on the style that you like and everything, but I think they're a great site if you're looking for some really affordable, good quality glasses. I think the quality is excellent. These are like crystal clear. Like, the lenses are so clear, and I just absolutely love them. They have like the turquoise right here. It's called like the emerald green color, but it looks like teal to me. I just think they're so cute, and I would highly recommend them. So I'll go ahead and link everything down below for you, and thank you so much to Zinff for sending these out for me. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below about the glasses. Again, these are not the prescription ones, but they do offer that option if that's something that you like. So make sure to check them out. And yeah, this is going to be a quick short video. I just wanted to review these because I absolutely love them, and I would highly recommend them if you are looking for some new glasses at super affordable prices. So thank you so much to Zinff, and thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.